So for making the candle, all we need is A4 size sheet in white, yellow, orange and green color, any color ribbon, scissor, Fevicol, pencil and marker. First we will take the white sheet and fold it from the corners and make a crease like this. Now we are going to cut the white sheet from the center. After cutting, we are going to use one of its sheet and make the candle stand. You will put some Fevicol here like this and we are going to paste the corners. Paste it gently so that it should not get open. After pasting, we will get the stand like this. Now keeping it side, we will be taking the yellow sheet and making the flame. Now we are going to cut it. After cutting the yellow flame, we are going to draw another flame which should be smaller than this in the orange sheet. After cutting both the flames, now we are going to paste the orange one on the top of the yellow. Now taking the another white sheet, we are going to make the eyes of the candle. You can use a marker or a black sketch pen for making the eyes. After making the eyes, now we are going to take the candle stand and we are going to paste the eyes in the center. Now we will take the green sheet, fold it from one corner and now we are going to make an oval. Now we will get two pieces. Now we are going to make the fringes of these like this. Now let's paste all the cutouts. First we have done with the eyes. Now taking the red marker, we are going to make a small nose like this and a smile. After this, we are going to paste the flame. You can paste the flame from the back like this. After pasting the flame, you can make small slanting lines like this. And now we are going to paste the cutouts of green leaves which we have made it earlier. At the bottom, you are going to paste them. And in the last, with the help of the ribbon, we will make a bow and paste it in the center of the leaves. Our candle is ready. I hope you enjoy this activity and wishing you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.